Hey dear beading friends, are you curious what's in this package? Be ready for a chitty chat where I will show you all the content. Today's sponsor is Nihaojewelry. They were so kind to send me samples to test, and I'm committed to show you different type of supplies from various companies, so grab your coffee because we will start. If you stay with me until the end, I will show you a stunning silver jewelry and I will give you a discount. Okay friends, and I'm going to start showing you the content piece by piece. You see these amazing iris crystals. They could be also called chameleon crystals. They are 3 millimeters and I can create amazing bracelets for you, amazing bracelet designs with these crystals. So follow me in future. Today I'm just demonstrating what you can order from Nihaojewelry. Okay, these are stunning. You see how they change color in the light. They come in secure strings and I was extremely satisfied having in mind price quality ratio. And by the way, I will put links to all of this in description. Another type of beads that I ordered are pretty similar to the Preciosa beads that I'm using in most of my tutorials. They are donut shaped and you can use them for more of my designs. And I ordered different colors, guys, because they have an amazing variation. By the way, these are 2 millimeters and are closer to 10-0 seed beads than to 11-0. They are extremely inexpensive, but they look very even and good quality. So I decided to try them and to show them to you. Okay. This is another sample that I ordered. This one in white. I have one that is more like 8-0 size, so you can order also 8-0 size from there, not only 11 or 10-0, okay? And this one is so beautiful, light pink. And by the way, these are not all the colors that I'm showing. They have so many other colors, guys. And you could definitely check them out with the link in the description. Okay, and I like this dark orange. Okay, now I will unpack them and will show you them without the packages, just to take a look. Okay guys, and these are the colorful beads unpacked. As you may see, they are really high quality. In fact, I was surprised by the quality of those beads. They are absolutely even. You know how sometimes when you order beads, you have some even, but you have some that are not that good. And in this case, they're all even and they correspond to 10-0 size and to 8-0 size. So let me give a close-up of those beads to you so you can check them out and decide for yourself if you like them. Okay. Let me put different colors so you can compare. Okay, I think that they look pretty good and we could make beautiful designs together from them in future videos. So let's go to the next type of beads that are really similar to delica beads. Okay guys, and the next type of beads are just stunning. I can't believe the quality of those beads, guys. They are cylindrical shaped and absolutely even beads and are really good for creating brick stitch designs. And you know, I have plenty on my website, free and some for the members. So you could definitely use them to create beautiful jewelry using my patterns. And I have never seen anywhere else a budget-friendly alternative of Miyuki delica beads or Aiko treasuries that are cylindrical shaped and absolutely even and used for these type of designs. You see how many colors they have. They have all the rainbow colors, and these are not even all the colors that they have on their website. Be ready to unpack this with me and see how they look from the inside. Okay guys, and these are the unpacked beads. Let me show you a closer look from most of the colors so you can see how beautiful they are. Okay, and the only thing I can say is that maybe the golden and the white look a little bit larger than the others, but all the others you could definitely mix with delicate beads and you could create beautiful jewelry with them. Maybe I'll show you later some designs with these beads. Here is another piece that I ordered, these beautiful 12mm earring findings. They have them in golden, in pink gold, and in silver. If you have allergies, you could definitely order those with this type of coverage, and they're totally not expensive. Now we are getting to the last part where I will show you the jewelry piece. So what I like about Nihaojewelry is that they have both high-end luxury products and also budget-friendly ones, so you could choose and pick whatever you like. So this is the jewelry that I promised to show you at the end. You see how amazing these silver earrings are. Yeah, here you can see the stamp 925 silver. They are stunning. And I'm also satisfied, guys, by the fast delivery. I'm located in Europe and I received their shipment in only 8 days, which is amazingly fast, having in mind that they are in Mexico. So if you are in North or South America, expect to receive the goods extremely fast. Let me show you how these look on my ear. They're stunning, amazing, guys. I'm really satisfied. So let me tell you more now about Nihaojewelry and my shopping experience. Today's sponsor, Nihaojewelry, is a leading online wholesale platform specializing in fashion jewelry, accessories, and apparel. They serve retail stores, boutiques, supermarkets, e-commerce sellers, wholesalers, and brand owners with over 300,000 products. They are a multilingual website and have global shipping, no custom duties for US customers. They have 40,000 items that are with free shipping. They are one-stop wholesale platform, ideal for a small business, support drop shipping, perfect for Shopify sellers. They have big discounts for new users. And maybe I can share some of my personal shopping experience. I like their website, it works really fast. As you may see, they offer multiple type of products, clothing, jewelry, high-end and budget-friendly. There is a special section, guys, for jewelry making. As you may see, here are multiple accessories that you can apply in your craft. And here, as you may see, there is a special section for beads. I think that's amazing, just for a few days. So you can definitely try them. I put in the description all the supplies that I bought and that I showed during the tutorial, so you can check them out. I'm impressed by the jewelry section as well. There are crystal jewelries. So yeah, you can choose from multiple designs as well. Also, Nihaojewelry offer extremely good discounts for new customers. And you will also find a link to their app in description. So if you want, you can download it and get this discount. There is a special discount code that they provide especially for you, and it is BB10. use it at checkout for an exclusive 10% off. So thank you for being here with me and watching this video. Expect new tutorials where I will show you beautiful designs with the beads that you have just seen.